It's white, ordinary, and sits quietly on every table. But for thousands of years, salt was more valuable than gold. It shaped empires, started wars, and defined flavor itself. Long before refrigeration, salt was survival. It preserved life, trade routes, and armies, the world's first flavor and the oldest form of currency. The word salary comes from salarium, the salt allowance paid to Roman soldiers. Salt roads stretched across continents, connecting civilizations through crystals of necessity. Beyond preservation, salt woke up flavor. It highlights sweetness, tames bitterness, and reveals hidden notes. In every dish, salt is the silent conductor of taste. From Himalayan pink to Celtic gray, not all salt is equal. Each type tells the story of its origin: ocean, mountain, or ancient seabed. Today we take salt for granted, yet chefs still treat it as sacred. The right salt at the right time transforms a meal from good to unforgettable. So the next time you reach for salt, remember, you're holding a piece of history, chemistry, and the secret flavor that built our world. Next time on The Secret Flavor, the secret ingredient that changed the world, a golden treasure.